Hello dear students, welcome to the class. I am Sanjeev from Kumarvati Science and Commerce PU College. In this session, I am going to teach question tags. And before going to the question tags, the word is a question tag. Definitions of a question tag is a short question added to the end of the statement, and then there are sorts of confirmations of a reader and speaker's opinion, that is called a question tags. And how to add a question tags to the sentence or a confirm to a sentence of a reader sentence. Then first I write an example. They are going to college. They are going to college. So this is a sentence, and we added a question tag end of the statement because we confirm the statement of a speakers or its listeners, and then at end of the statement the aren't they. Aren't they is a tag. So we also confirm that they are going to college, aren't they? So that is a confirmative, the statement of a listener or a readers. Then come to how to add a question tag of end of the statement, and we also know that the easy tricks to add a question tags end of the statement. Then come to they are going to college. This is a sentence. We observe the statement is a positive or a negative, and positive means gives a positive meaning, or it gives a not, it's a negative. The statement is a positive, tag should be negative. You observe that they are going to college. We don't find any negative words in this statement. Then tag, it is a take a not, aren't they. So that's why a tag should be negative. If the statement negative, the tag is positive. That is a vice versa. Like it's a positive statement, take a negative tag. Negative statement, take a positive tag. That is the first rules of a question tags. Then second rules, we observe that the tag, it's take only helping verb, then subject. The helping verb and subject. The subject always in pronoun. We use a pronoun only in the subjective form. For example, instead of they give a name like Sheila and Geeta. Sheila and Geeta are going to college. So instead of Sheila and Geeta, we use a pronoun only like they. So aren't they? So we use the same helping verb. It's given preceding the statement are. So are, so aren't. Change as a aren't. Then third clue or third rules of added question tags. And we use not with the helping verb. And we should arrive these form only. For example, is plus not. Is plus not. Change as a isn't. In apostrophe manner only. Then has plus not. Hasn't. Hasn't. Do plus not. Don't. Does plus not. Does plus not. Doesn't. Doesn't. And are plus not. Are plus not. Aren't. Alright. Then were plus not. Weren't. Weren't. We should write in a apostrophe manner only, and we observe that it's weren't. It's a apostrophe manner. Then it's a am plus not. Am plus not. It's not amn't. It's aren't. It is aren't. Observe that it's am plus not. It's when we added with the am not and it changed as a aren't. It's a very important and keep remember. Then can plus not. It changed as a can't. Can't. So that is it's a apostrophe manner. And will plus not. Won't. Will plus not won't. Observe. So these are all the words, and when we add it with the not, the won't are like that. It's okay. And then come to another tips or another rule to add it a question tag. And we already know that it's a statement is a positive, tag is negative. The statement is negative, tag is positive. So the first clue. Then we use a pronoun only and preceding statement. That's if they are already given the helping verb and we use the same helping verb with a tag. Then subject. We use only pronoun like third personal pronoun he, she, it, and they. He, she, it, they. So he, we already know that the how to use a he. He is indications of a male person's name, and she is used with a female art's name, indications of a female names. Then it is used with a things. Then thing only. Then they is used with a subject, as plural subjects. So like the plural thing also. It's a Sheila and Geeta. Use they. So that's why we use a they. Then plural things also. The clothes. Like let's take a they also. That is a use of a third personal pronoun used with a tag only. And if they already given, it's a first personal pronoun I and we and you. We use a same pronouns and in the tags. Then another roles or another tips to identify or added the question tag. We first know that the statement is a negative or a positive. How to identify this is a negative statement or this is a positive statement? And it's a very important clue. You observe that the statement, it also has a no, never, nothing, neither nor, hardly, scarcely, barely. These are all the words. It's called a semi-negative or a negative words, and tag should be positive. And if the statement has a not or a nothing or a neither nor or no, none, and hardly, scarcely, barely. So these are all the words, and if you find the statement of it's a preceding and we added as positive tags. We don't use a not, it's with a tags in there, and that is a clue. And now come to examples. Example. She is going to market. She is going to market. So in this sentence, she is going to market. At the end of the statement, question tag, they already given is, then subject is she. So we use a tag with a subject and helping verb. Then identify the statement is positive or a negative, and this is a positive statement, and that's why tag should be negative. Is plus and not. Isn't she. Isn't she? So that is the suitable question tag. Question tag, it's added end of the statement, is a confirm to the it's a sentence. Then, for example, they are playing football. They are playing football. In the sentence already given are they. So if the statement, the same statement in a negative form, are not, they are not. So this is a statement negative. Tag should be positive. We add are and they. Are they? Are they is a suitable tag. So you observe that the statement negative, tag is positive. Statement positive, tag is negative. So that is the rules. Then we observe that we use only the pronouns. Pronoun in the tags. Then another example. I am a doctor. I am a doctor. In the sentence already given am, the statement is a positive. So positive statement, it's use a negative tag. So negative tag, am plus not, aren't. Am plus not, aren't I. Remember this, and it's an exceptional case of a question tag. Am plus not, aren't. It's not amn't. Okay, it's aren't I. Aren't I is a suitable tag. Then the statement, suppose I am not a doctor. I am not a doctor. So in the sentence, am I? Am I? It's not are I. It's we use a am, same helping verb and subject, and it's a negative statement, and that's why. So we use a positive tag. Positive tag. Am I? It's not are I. And so keep remember. And this is aren't I and am I, and I am not. So this is a very important concept. Then another example. For example, so this is a simple present and simple past tense. There is no helping verbs, and that's why how to let's added a question tag of that sentence. That kind of a sentence like she goes to market. She goes to market. So this is a simple present tense. How to add a question tag in the sentence, and there is no helping verbs. There is no helping verb, and we added the helping verb only with a question tag. And how to write this? And we are also to follow do form helping verbs. Do form. Does, do, did. Does, do, did. So these are all does, do, did is a do form helping verbs. Does is used with a singular subject in present tense. In present tense, do is used with a plural subject. Plural subject with a present tense, and did is used with a past tense. Singular or plural. Singular or plural. We observe that does, do used with a it's a present tense, subject is a singular, use does. Subject is a plural, use do. And did is used with a past tense, simple past tense sentence. And the subject is singular or plural. It's both. It's take a did only. And now we observe the sentence. She goes to market. The go and verb takes s or es. There is no helping verb. And present form of a verb go. And added, it's when the subject is singular, it's the verb takes s or es. That's why it is a simple present tense. Simple present tense. The present tense we use two helping verbs, does and do. Does and do. And we use a singular subject with a does. She does. And if the subject plural, they do. So now she does. Does, the statement is positive, tag is negative. That's why we add a negative. She does. She goes to market. Doesn't she? Doesn't she is a tag. And you observe that it's if the statement don't have a helping verb, we use a does, do, did. Otherwise, and we use a same preceding helping verb like is, isn't, or are. So aren't, are. So like. Now let's take a past tense. She went to market. She went to market. Observe that go, went, gone. So went is a second form. It's a past form. That's why it's a past tense. Simple past tense. There is no helping verb. Verb is in second form. But how to add a question tag in this sentence? And now observe, we already know that if the statement don't have a helping verb, we use a do form helping verb. Do form does, do, did. And this is a past tense. That's why we use a did. So did. Then observe that the subject is a she. So did plus not. So this is a positive statement. That's why we add a negative in the tags. Didn't she? So that is the suitable question tag. So you are also take one more example. Let's try to add in the question tags of a statement. If the statement have a helping verb, so statements have a helping verb, use the same helping verbs and observe that the sentence is a positive or a negative. And tag should be its opposite. And then observe that if the statement don't have a helping verb, use a do form helping verbs according to its sentence or according to the subject. Subject is a singular, use does. Subject is a plural, use do in the present tense sentence. Or in the past, and use a did only with it's a tag, and with a negative or a statement a positive, and added a suitable negative. It's a apostrophe only. And use only the pronoun. For example, it's instead of she or he, and use a name. For example, Madhu. For Madhu, so Madhu is a name, and you should have added a she. And again, it's converted as a she. It's a third personal singular. Okay, so that is the easy tips to add a question tag. So first one, observe the sentence of the positive or a negative, and if the statement is positive, tag is negative. If the statement is negative, tag is positive. That is the first clue. Then I add it only with a helping verb and subject. The subject always in the pronoun positions. Pronouns. The third personal pronoun he, she, it, they. So he, she, it, they. And you should add write negative tags with these form apostrophe. That's is plus not. So there is a 3 clue. Then identify its subject. The subject and helping verb. If the statement don't have a helping verb, use do form. According like that. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button. Thank you.